Bhagavad Gita as it is. Chapter 1, Text 24. Sanjaya Uvacha Evam Yukto Rishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubhayor Madhye Stapayitva Ratottamam. Synonyms: Sanjayaha, Sanjaya, Uvacha, said, Evam, thus, Yuktaha, addressed, Rishikeshaha, Lord Krishna, Gudakeshena, by Arjuna, Bharata, O descendant of Bharata, Senayoho, of armies, Ubhayoho, of both, Madhye, in the midst of, Stapayitva, by placing, Ratottamam, the finest chariot. Translation: Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, being thus addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drew up the fine chariot in the midst of the armies of both parties. Purport: in this verse, Arjuna is referred to as Gudakesha. Gudaka means sleep, and one who conquers sleep is called Gudakesha. Sleep also means ignorance. So, Arjuna conquered both sleep and ignorance because of his friendship with Krishna. As a great devotee of Krishna, he could not forget Krishna even for a moment, because that is the nature of a devotee. Either in waking or in sleep, a devotee of the Lord can never be free from thinking of Krishna's name, form, quality, and pastimes. Thus, a devotee of Krishna can conquer both sleep and ignorance simply by thinking of Krishna constantly. This is called Krishna consciousness or Samadhi. As Rishikesha, or the director of the senses and mind of every living entity, Krishna could understand Arjuna's purpose in placing the chariot in the midst of the armies. Thus he did so and spoke as follows. Text 25. Bhishma Drona Pramukataha Sarvesham cha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyaitan Samavetan Kuruniti. Synonyms: Bhishma, grandfather Bhishma; Drona, the teacher Drona; Pramukhataha, in the front of; Sarvesham, all; Cha, also; Mahikshitam, chiefs of the world; Uvacha, said; Partha, O Partha, son of Pritha; Pashya, just behold; Etan, all of them; Samavetan, assembled; Kurun, all the members of the Kuru dynasty; Iti, thus. Translation: in the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all other chieftains of the world, Rishikesha, the Lord, said, Just behold, Partha, all the Kurus who are assembled here. Purport: as the supersoul of all living entities, Lord Krishna could understand what was going on in the mind of Arjuna. The use of the word Rishikesha in this connection indicates that he knew everything, and the word Partha, or the son of Kunti or Pritha, is also similarly significant in reference to Arjuna. As a friend, he wanted to inform Arjuna that because Arjuna was the son of Pritha, the sister of his own father Vasudeva, he had agreed to be the charioteer of Arjuna. Now, What did Krishna mean when he told Arjuna to behold the Kurus? Did Arjuna want to stop there and not fight? Krishna never expected such things from the son of his aunt Pritha. The mind of Arjuna was thus predicated by the Lord in friendly joking. Text 26. Tatra pashyat sthitan parthaha pitranata pitamahan acharyan matulan bhratran putran pautran sakimstatha shvashuran suhrudaschaiva senayorubhayorapi. Synonyms: Tatra, there; Apashyat, he could see; Sthitan, standing; Parthaha, Arjuna; Pitran, fathers; Atha, also; Pitamahan, grandfathers; Acharyan, teachers; Matulan, maternal uncles; Bhratran, brothers; Putran, sons; Pautran, grandsons; Sakhin, friends; Tatha, too; Shvashuran, fathers-in-law; Suhurdaha, well-wishers; Cha, also; Eva, certainly; Senayoho, of the armies; Ubhayoho, of both parties; Api, including. Translation. There, Arjuna could see within the midst of the armies of both parties his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, paternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his father-in-law and well-wishers all present there. Purport. On the battlefield, Arjuna could see all kinds of relatives. He could see persons like Bhurishrava, who were his father's contemporaries, grandfathers Bhishma and Somadatta, teachers like Dronacharya and Kripacharya, maternal uncles like Shalya and Shakuni, brothers like Duryodhana, sons like Lakshmana, friends like Ashwathama, well-wishers like Kritavarma, etc. He could see also the armies which contained many of his friends. Text 27. Tan samikshya sa kaunteyaha sarvan bandhun avastitan kripaya paraya vishto vishidan nidam abravit. Synonyms: Tan, all of them; Samikshya, after seeing; Saha, he; Kaunteyaha, the son of Kunti; Sarvan, all kinds of; Bandhun, relatives; Avastitan, situated; Kripaya, by compassion; Paraya, of a high grade; Avishtaha, overwhelmed by; Vishidan, while lamenting; Idam, thus; Abravit, spoke. Translation. When the son of Kunti, Arjuna, saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with compassion and spoke thus.